welcome back to my channel. I'm Court Love. In this video I am doing another try on with this lashes, Falscara lashes. Like, I'm a little nervous, to be honest, y'all, to try this. Y'all know I wear lashes in all my videos and on my Instagram and stuff like that, but girl, I don't wear lashes like underneath, so bear with me in this video because I never tried to place my lashes underneath my lash, so this is gonna be my very first time. But I'm excited because I always wanted to try these lashes to see, you know, just to give a natural look. And you know, let's get started. Okay, so I open up the pack. This is what they give you in the kit. They give you like a little tweeze. It's cute. And I never use tweezers to apply my lashes, so this is gonna be totally out of comfort zone, like, for real. So on one side it's the bond, and then on the other side it's the seal. So put the bonding glue on first, and then I take the lash and kind of clamp it, and you know, so on and so on. So we're gonna see how this works. And these are the lashes that they gave me, and I also got some extra ones just probably for a fuller look. So we're gonna see how this turns out. Okay, so bear with me because I'm gonna be in my mirror, so I'm pretty much probably gonna be out of frame. So I hope y'all don't be mad that y'all can't see exactly what I'm doing, because like I said, I'm not a pro at putting them underneath my lash. So let's get started. First one on. Like I said, I'm not a tweezers person, so I see people apply it with the tweezer. I can't do that. I just have to use my hands. This is how it looks, y'all. I have all of them on, and I'm gonna come back with the other side. This is what they look like. Girl, I ain't gonna lie, I was struggling, like, for real. I was struggling on the left, like, girl, I was struggling, but we made it through. And now I'm going to add the seal. try to kind of like mash them together. And I also like used a few of the lashes here to kind of make them a little thicker. Girl, I was struggling. I think I had like a piece of hair in my eye. But girl, beauty is pain, you know. So this is the finished look. They look natural. They look very natural. I have a hair, but they look natural. I like it. It's very natural. It's cute. I love it. So this is the finished look. Kind of got on a bright lip a little bit. To liven up this look a little bit. I never wear this type of look, but tell me what you think in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video. And like I said, tell me what you think about this bravery. I can't even talk, y'all. Tell me what you think of this bravery of me trying this lash under my eye, girl. And yeah, this is it, you know.